Cooking should be an experience, not a chore. This legacy Culinaryware nonstick saucepan with lid offers a perfect combination of functionality, durability, and modern design to redefine your time in the kitchen. Whether you're preparing a quick sauce, simmering a soup, or cooking a small batch of grains, this 1.5-quart saucepan is a must-have tool for every home chef. With its PFOA-free non-stick coating, you can cook confidently, knowing that your meals will be healthy and safe. Its versatile compatibility with various stovetops and its ergonomic design make it an excellent choice for any kitchen setup. Let's explore why this saucepan is the ideal solution for all your culinary needs. Key features and benefits. Number 1. Exceptional non-stick coating. The non-stick coating is the star of the show. Completely free of PFOA, this coating ensures that your food doesn't stick to the surface, making cooking and cleaning a breeze. Whether it's a delicate sauce or a hearty stew, your meals will cook evenly without the hassle of food sticking or burning. Healthy cooking. No harmful chemicals, ensuring that your food retains its natural taste and nutritional value. Enhanced flavor. The quick and even heating ensures that your dishes are cooked to perfection every time. Number 2. Stovetop versatility. The legacy Culinaryware saucepan is designed to perform seamlessly on various stovetops, including electric and ceramic cooktops. This versatility ensures that you can use the pan regardless of your kitchen setup. Universal compatibility. Whether you're using gas, ceramic, or electric stoves, this pan is up to the task. Optimal performance. Heats up quickly and evenly for consistent cooking results. Number 3. Ergonomic design for comfort and convenience. Cooking should be comfortable, and the ergonomic features of this saucepan ensure that you enjoy every step of the process. Heat-resistant glass lid. The lid allows you to monitor your food as it cooks without lifting it, preserving heat and moisture. The built-in steam vents prevent overflow and pressure buildup. Bakelite handle. Designed for a secure and comfortable grip, the handle remains cool to the touch, ensuring safety during use. Number 4. Easy maintenance and durability. Cleaning up after cooking is often the least enjoyable part, but with the legacy Culinaryware saucepan, it's effortless. Dishwasher-safe. Toss it in the dishwasher for quick and easy cleaning. Durable build. Built to withstand daily use, the non-stick coating remains intact even after frequent cleaning. High heat resistance. With a maximum operating temperature of 430 degrees Fahrenheit, this pan is perfect for high heat cooking. Number 5. Reliable customer service and warranty. Legacy Culinaryware is committed to customer satisfaction. Every saucepan undergoes rigorous quality checks to ensure that you receive a product that meets your expectations. 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you receive a defective product, the company offers a full refund or exchange. Dedicated support. Their customer service team is always ready to assist with any concerns. Why choose the legacy Culinaryware nonstick saucepan? The legacy Culinaryware nonstick saucepan with lid stands out in a crowded market because of its superior quality and thoughtful design. Its combination of non-stick convenience, versatile performance, and durable construction makes it an excellent choice for both novice and seasoned cooks. Perfect for small-scale cooking. Whether you're making a quick breakfast or reheating leftovers, the 1.5-quart capacity is ideal for small meals and individual portions. Safe and healthy cooking. The PFOA-free coating ensures that your meals are free from harmful chemicals, giving you peace of mind about the food you serve to your loved ones. Time-saving features. The even heating and non-stick properties reduce cooking time and effort, allowing you to focus on enjoying your meals rather than worrying about cleanup. Did you know? The legacy Culinaryware saucepan is designed to prevent food wastage by ensuring every drop slides off the non-stick surface. Fun fact, its ergonomic handle remains cool to the touch even during high-heat cooking sessions, making it safer than traditional cookware. Pro tip: pair this saucepan with legacy Culinaryware's complete cookware set for a cohesive and efficient kitchen experience. Conclusion: this legacy Culinaryware non-stick saucepan with lid is more than just a pot. It's an investment in your cooking experience. Its non-stick convenience, versatility, and durability make it a standout choice for anyone who values quality and efficiency in the kitchen. With its thoughtful design and commitment to health and safety, this saucepan ensures that every meal you prepare is a step closer to perfection. Whether you're a home cook or a culinary enthusiast, the Legacy Culinaryware Saucepan is a must-have tool that delivers exceptional results every time. Don't wait to elevate your cooking game. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make this versatile saucepan yours today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.